Hello my gorgeous people, welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. Well, in today's video we're doing skin care. We're going to be talking about this product right here, and this is Oia. I'm super excited to try this out. These are silicone patches that you put all over your face. You put it on your forehead, you put it on your smile lines, underneath your eyes, and on your neck and chest. So for all you guys have those little wrinkles, or if you have a lot of wrinkles, this will prevent those wrinkles from coming. Or if you do got those wrinkles, it will actually start fading away slowly. It's like Botox, but in patches, and it's less money than Botox. So if you guys are into Botox and now you're like, ooh, I don't want to spend the money, or if you guys are pregnant also, you can't get Botox, try this out. It's super affordable. It's better than Botox actually, because this, you can actually use it 15 times, put it back in here, seal it, and then reuse it again. I'm super excited to try this out. They sent me this, so I wanted to review it and show you guys all about this product. So I'm excited, and I hope you guys are excited too, because who wouldn't want to get rid of wrinkles or prevent the wrinkles from coming? The good thing about these patches, you can use it for an hour or you can use it overnight and wake up in the morning and feel rejuvenated and feel very plump and beautiful. I do have a little bit of wrinkles on my forehead right here near my eyebrows, but I'm going to show you my wrinkles right now. I have smile lines right here. It's supposed to prevent that. And if you see here, right here, I have little wrinkles there. Make sure that your face is clean, because you don't want your face to be dirty and using these silicone patches on your face. So your face has to be clean with no oils or anything, because this will do the work for you. So you don't need all those creams. You don't need none of that. So it comes with a little brochure right here. Tell you everything, how to place it on your face. Step 1, like I said, you clean your face. The step 2, you just place it, you peel it, and then place it all over the face. And then you gently press the patches on your skin so you can feel the best results. I'm going to open everything up. Comes in like this. So this is for your chest, these is for your neck, and this is for your forehead, and these are for your eyes. So let's open this up. All right guys, so this one is for your forehead right here, and all you do is you take it out from the little plastic, and then all you do is you place it right in the forehead. I'm gonna come closer to you guys. So my problem right is here. So anyways, I did that. I got that right there. And then all you do is you rub it just so it can stick better. And now I got the patches, the silicone patches for you underneath your eyes, because we don't want those wrinkles underneath those eyes. All right, I got that one. And now I'm going to place the other one. Now we're going to do our neck. And this is our neck. Like I said, I seen a little bit of wrinkle underneath my neck. So I'm trying to prevent more from coming. So this will definitely help that. Let me move my hair back so you guys can see. So each of the patches are made to fit perfectly on your skin. You don't want Botox or fillers. It's the perfect solution and a better alternative for that, because you don't need no needles. This will prevent all that and more. So now I gotta do my smile lines. Leave this on for a few hours and then come back to you guys so I can tell you what I think about it. I'll be right back, but I don't want to talk too much because this is a little tight on my face. So I'd rather just relax now, have all that hydration, and then I can tell you guys how I feel, but I'll be right back. All right guys, I am back. So it's been a few hours, so I'm just going to be taking this off so you guys can see a little bit of the result. I'm going to be taking all this out. All you have to do is rinse it out with cold water and then place it in that plastic but I'm taking everything out. Let me pull my hair back so you guys can see. Immediately, you guys can see the hydration of the skin, like it's super shiny. So that's all the hydration of this. But the smile lines, what do you guys think? Like, I actually see my smile line, like I still have it, but before it was like super precise. Oh, I like that. But anyways, let me take the eyes off. Let me take underneath the eyes. But like it feels really moisturized and my face feels super plump. All right, let me take the forehead one. I took the forehead out. Let me see. Are you guys seeing that? Like literally. Wow. Like you seen it earlier that I had more, the lines were showing a little more, but right now it's like only like 2 little ones. I want to see my smile lines though. I want to see the smile lines. I am impressed. I'm in loving this product. I have a 10% coupon code, and if you guys want to purchase it, use my coupon code. And until my next video, guys, bye.